So in my computer, Windows computer, I opened the Microsoft Word and I'm going to type here, hello, how are you? Okay, hello, how are you? I type, and suppose if you want to erase the word to left, for example, I move my mouse here and I'm going to click near the how, and suppose I want to erase the word on my left, I'm going to press my keyboard. So this is the control key and this is the backspace key. So if I press this control key and this backspace key at the same time, that is one of my finger in this control key, I press the control key, and at the same time I press this backspace key, that is one of my finger is in control key, and at the same time another finger is in this backspace key. So the how disappear from here, that is the letter on my left have been, the word on my left side have been moved or removed. So if you want to erase word to the left, you must press the control key and backspace key at the same time. For more videos you can subscribe. Thank you.